Dear students, in this lesson we will learn about the shift, rotation and string handling instructions. How does the SHR shift right instruction work? The SHL shift left instruction. The rotate right ROR instruction. The rotate left roll instruction. How do the ROR-C and roll-C instructions work? How is rotation different from shift? How can we multiply and divide by the integer powers of 2 with the shift and rotate instructions? How to use string handling instructions? How we can move data with string handling instructions? Find and compare using string handling instructions. Good luck in the lesson.